Hi everyone and welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to review a skincare product. The product that I will be reviewing today is the Nykaa SKINRX 10% Vitamin C Serum. A month back, I came across the Nykaa Illuminate Plus Vitamin C Serum. This has got 10% vitamin C and 5% niacinamide. This is a great serum for beginners and it's supposed to provide 30% brighter skin in 30 days. So basically this evens out your skin tone by targeting problems like acne spots, hyperpigmentation, and sunspots if you have them. It takes care of all the pigmentation based problems. It enhances skin radiance and that in turn will give you more even skin tone. And that is how the serum improves your complexion. I started using this product on 2nd July and today is 3rd August. So this video is going to be my review of this product after using it for 30 days. A couple of things before starting this video. I'm not a skincare specialist. And number 2, you have to perform a patch test before trying out this serum. You need to keep this away from sunlight because this is a vitamin C serum, so it's going to oxidize in the presence of sunlight. First of all, let's talk about the ingredients. This is a 5-in-1 power serum. The first and the main ingredient in this serum is 10% vitamin C. Vitamin C is a skin brightener. It evens sun damaged skin and it takes care of hyperpigmentation if you have hyperpigmentation, and it also reduces fine lines and wrinkles to an extent. So this is like an all-rounder ingredient that I really like. You guys know vitamin C is my favorite ingredient, especially when it comes to treating hyperpigmentation. Then we have got 5% niacinamide. This helps control oil and it prevents UV induced pigmentation. It also helps reduce spots and this too can be used for treating hyperpigmentation. After this we have ferulic acid, which is an antioxidant rich ingredient. This basically fights free radicals. It also boosts efficacy of vitamin C. Then we have a very well-known ingredient which is hyaluronic acid. If you have dry skin, you must have heard about this ingredient. It's a really good humectant, which means it will help hydrate your skin, which in turn makes the skin really plump and supple. Ultimately, we have Sika extract, which is a calming ingredient. It is also responsible for strengthening the skin barrier. After this, I am going to talk about the packaging of the serum. The serum does come in a box and on the inside you get this bottle. A 30 ml bottle retails for rupees 6.99. This is a water-based serum. It has got a non-sticky formula. It's not oily. I feel that this serum can be used by all skin types. I think this is a very stable formula because during summers I have a normal skin type. My T-zone gets a little bit oily. The only problem that I have on my face is that the moisture barrier around my lips is very weak. It gets damaged very often, but I really like the formula of this serum. It didn't irritate the moisture barrier around my lips. It didn't irritate my lips. In fact, I have tried the 20% vitamin C serum from Nykaa as well, and that too didn't affect my lips in any way. So I really like the formula of this serum and I feel that it can be used by all skin types, but a patch test is very necessary before applying it all over your face. I really like the consistency of this serum. It spreads really easily on my skin and it gets absorbed into my skin. And that is another reason why you can use it if you are a beginner. It's quick absorbing and it's very lightweight. It will feel a little bit tacky right after application, but if you follow up with a moisturizer, that is going to even everything out. Overall, I feel that this serum did give me a very glowy skin. In my opinion, this serum has a very stable formula and it's highly efficacious. This is a really good serum for beginners, for someone who's just getting into skincare and wants to incorporate an active in their skincare routine. So 10% vitamin C is something that you can start from. This is a gentle yet effective serum for beginners. This serum is alcohol free. It has also not got any silicones or parabens and it's also fragrance free, but if you smell, I do get a little bit of fragrance. It's not actually a fragrance, but it does have a smell. Now let's get to how to use this serum. You have to take 3 to 4 drops on your hands and you just have to apply it on your entire face and neck after cleansing. Just massage gently until the serum gets absorbed. For the daytime skincare routine, you have to follow up with a sunscreen. And for the nighttime skincare routine, you just can leave it up to the moisturizer. Now, since I was trying this serum, I thought of giving their whole vitamin C range a try. So for the daytime, after using this serum, I did follow up with their day moisturizer. This is the Nykaa SKINRX Day Moisturizer. It has SPF 15. And then for the nighttime, after applying this serum, I did use use the Nykaa Vitamin C Night Moisturizer. I kept my routine very simple, and I didn't include any other active in my skincare routine, not even for cleansers. I just use a very basic cleanser. But you have to make sure that you do not pair it up with retinoids on the same day, especially if you have sensitive skin, because that will be too much for your skin. Also, do not layer this serum with any AHA or BHA. Now let's get to the results and what I actually feel about this serum. Now the brand claims that this will give you 30% brighter skin in 30 days, and by brighter skin I mean it will even out your skin tone and it will improve your complexion. So my final thoughts on this serum. I feel that this serum did work for me, and that is because personally I feel that I need less makeup to cover my hyperpigmentation now. And a lot of you guys have commented on my videos, especially during the last month, saying that my skin looks more even now and my hyperpigmentation has reduced. So I am going to show you a before and after, but this is what I actually feel. I feel that this did work on my hyperpigmentation. So I am going to keep using it because I feel that the formula is very stable, especially when it comes to my skin. It also did work on the texture of my skin. Like, you can see it looks almost glassy. If you have tried the serum, do let me know your thoughts. And that's it for this review. I feel that if you've just started your skincare journey, you can definitely incorporate this serum in your skincare routine. Especially if you're someone who wants to try vitamin C for the very first time, you can try this serum. And that's it. The serum is available on Nykaa app and in Nykaa Stores. Let me know what other products you want me to try out for 30 days, just like I tried this serum. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.